Hey everybody, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and click on subscribe and also click on the bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. So this is an update on the XCR as far as what we've done to it since last time I posted. Got the throttle cable in. I installed that, and now that the throttle cable's in, we're able to confirm the rest of the systems and essentially the running state of the sled. So the throttle cable's in. Confirmed that the kill switch works. Got a new tether for the tether switch. Confirmed that the tether works. My wife bought that for me for my birthday, which was great. The tack works. The speedo works. We're able to engage the clutches and spin the track, and the track is spinning. There's no strange noises coming out of the drivetrain. We're still gonna pull the suspension out and redo all the bearings and everything in the chain case and the drive line. But the coolers come up to temperature. You know, the sled seems to run good. It engages pretty well, pretty quickly. So coming back to the hood, which is kind of probably why you're watching this video. So like I said before, this is not the red rocket. This is the pink rocket, right? So like the sled, the paint is pink. It's not red. You know, just as a comparison. This is the part that sits behind the windshield, which is pretty much protected from the sun's UV rays, and this is the side that's exposed to the sun. Hopefully it's picking it up, but essentially this is pink, this is red. So over the past week and a half, I've been doing everything I could to get the paint to come back. Unfortunately, it's so oxidized, it's been a challenge. And I've been buying different types of compounds, bonnets, wheels, pads, stuff like that, and all sorts of methods to try to get it back. And as a last resort, what I did is I bought some rubbing compound, and I bought a wool pad for my for the drill. I went at it, and I got too ambitious, and I actually smoked the paint on the section of the hood that I was working on. I was kind of embarrassed at what I did, and unfortunately I didn't get any pictures of what I did. I should have. I wasn't thinking, but I was kind of pissed when I did it because it's my own fault. So again, doing some research and everything else, and as far as what people have done as far as repainting these hoods on a budget, as far as the DIY project, and there's a lot of mentions on people using Rust-Oleum gloss enamel. So I already had this in my supply. So I basically took a Scotch Brite pad and I scuffed up the hood, and I did an experiment on the hood section of the hood that I wasted just to see how it would come out, and I'll show you how it came out. So this is 4 coats of the Rust-Oleum, and it's gonna be kind of hard to tell because the camera isn't gonna do a really good job of picking it up, but the end result is pretty good for a spray bomb. There is some orange peel in it. I do have some trash in the paint from some dust, but for a spray can, it actually came out pretty good. So again, if there was any doubt on the condition of the paint, there's a true red. That's the current state. Again, when I say the sled is pink, it's pink. So I'm pretty happy with the result. So I think at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the hood from the sled and basically strip all the decals off of it and continue what I did on that section and basically spray bomb the whole thing. So there is a little bit of orange peel in the paint, which is to be expected. You know, it is a spray bomb at the end of the day, but this paint can be wet sanded after about a week, which is not a problem because this sled's going nowhere soon because we are in the middle of the summer, so I have plenty of time to work on this. So I also started polishing up on the tunnel. That's starting to look pretty good. Use the same methods as we did on the switchback, and it's coming along. So what do you guys think? Do you think I'm doing the right thing? Doing a good thing? Because again, this sled is never going to be perfect. It is what it is. Just want to make sure that it looks presentable when I do go ride it, and get it back to red versus pink. So if there's any thoughts, questions, comments, advice, love to hear it. Let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. See ya. Bye.